Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about HBAR targets updates with my customer set, just a local one. Let's dive in. Global targets, guys, So my final take for HBAR this cycle, it's around 65 cents, 96. I don't think so. The HBAR will hit the $1 price target. So it's just my personal opinion. You can have your own, and it's absolutely okay. I just share my ideas, my vision about the market, about the tokens on my personal channel. So another mistake, what people usually do on the market, for example, when people buying here at 40 cents and the price dump, so the price dump 68%, people think, and even the write in the comments, so I post the wrong measure. No, people think if the price dump it here, they need only 68% bounce to out of the break even, and after that they will be in profit. You bought it here, price dump at 68% from this level, price bounce at 69%, you're still in losses. So that's a fact. That's a fact, and that's a big problem. What influencers show you buy every single dip, because we dump 68%, and after that 68%, we can dump 30 more. Globally, it looks like we dump only 79%, right? Not a big deal also, but to recover back, and your average entry now, let's say here, like this one. So you're buying here and here. Anyway, to recover back at the break even, you need to see the pump only at the break even, 288%. So that's a point how the measure works. So don't be trapped, guys, with all of this stuff, because people think, oh, coin can't drop over than 100%. Yes, it can, because we can add 1 0. Now at 15 cents, we can drop to 8 cents. After that, we can drop to 5 cents. After 5 cents, we can drop and add 1 0, 0.01. So like this one, guys, always count and use the measure from the starting point at the bottom to your price. And sometimes 200%, 500%, it can be the long road. So that time from November 2024, the HBAR pumped at 84%. Basically, we reached the target, like say 78 level by FIB, everything correct. So this FIB basically can be correct. And now we form the test of 0 level. Should we drop and test 27 block again? I don't know. This is a global accumulation zone. We spent it here, imagine 910 days, even more, 17 days. Why we should drop again into accumulation block, global one, for what? I have no idea. That's why my take is we should hold the line at 13 cents, 13.77. I want to show you with the take profit indicator, and it's kind of scary. So this is kind of scary, and I showed you before. So the buy line now, of course, it's dynamic. We move higher, right? But still at 8 cents. So this is really, really scary, because if, for example, the BTC will drop now based on war and escalation between the Israel and Iran to, let's say, 98K or 92K, guys, I can't even imagine what will be with altcoins. HBAR is okay, but imagine what will be with other altcoins, because a lot of them, like Loca, now it's all-time low, historical all-time low. So I have no idea why we need so much altcoins. Absolutely useless, absolutely useless. So HBAR, for me personally, it's a normal project, not a safe haven, but it can follow once again, like usual, some hype news from the XRP. Now, nothing special, nothing positive for HBAR at this current moment. The best case scenario, guys, if we hold the line at 13 cents 77 and continue rally higher this autumn. Here, the buy line now on the daily, it's 11.93. Not so bad, but not so good also. Here, we already tested the buy line on the 12-hour time frame. Now it's 12.30. Yes, it's possible to see that drop again. So I wish to see we should hold the line at 0 level, because if we drop to 8 cents again, it's gonna be so horrible, guys. Let's be real. The bullish target now, it's 26.78. 26.78, it's yearly open. We're ready, of course, test it, but I wish to see the test again. Now, the crucial moment for BTC, hold the line above the 100K. So definitely. But we get a macro, we get a geopolitical now. So this is a main driver now for the market. So just reduce your risk for this current moment. Because yes, we can see one more leg down, or like this one, or even lower. Of course, if you dream about accumulate HBAR, you miss it this point, of course you'll be happy to accumulate it, but we're gonna waste the time. If we use the FIB here, take a look from impulse, top, this is a top, correction, bounce, sweep the liquidity. The next step is 11.67, 9 cents. So 78 and 86 level by FIB. It's a global one. That's why just prepare yourself to close another monthly and another weekly gap, this one. So even to fulfill, right? Maybe at 9 cents, we're going to stop and bounce higher. So local targets I showed you around 9 cents will be comfortable price even for me to open some position on HBAR. Of course, I wish to see only the uptrend, right? But we have to be ready based on escalation between the countries. ADZ direction market move. I share with you just a technical side because, guys, no makes sense to talk about all this partnership, all of these upgrades, what the HBAR posts in their social. Now all eyes on just the macro and the geopolitics. So let's be real. All of this crypto enthusiasts have to understand now. We pray for institutional came to this market, and now they control this market. And that market depends of world stuff, right? Not some fancy upgrades, what they post in their roadmaps or some marketing campaign. So this is a fact. About the weekly time frame on HBAR, this was distribution. Now we're just in the middle. So once again, if we drop to 9 cents, we will see one more accumulation. Maybe it will be the final one accumulation. I don't think so. This was the end of cycle for the HBAR. Maybe for this year, yes, but not for the cycle. So the targets for HBAR way higher. No accumulation on direction, so it's kind of bad. Market mode here. This is euphoria. This is hope, positive. Of course, for me, it's kind of like. Of course, for me, I don't see any reason why we have to drop now to 10 and 9 cents again to make everybody rich. So that's now we're at the point of decision. It's like too early to buy, right? And too late to sell. And this is a perfect moment to put the price higher. So people who didn't buy in here, they will skip it coin and buy it higher. That people who bought it here can cut their losses and bought it here again. Or out at a break even, price go higher, these guys will buy again here and stock in token again. Based on money power indicator here, money inflow was here in end of March. We bounced at 70%. So would be good to see the drop 11 or 9 cents for for main continuation uptrend. Trade on, trade profit I already showed you. Here's a trade on, buy, sell. Here's a recommendation to buy back, but no main signal to buy. 1 week more, we will see some downtrend. Yes, and after that, maybe by end of June, step by step, all coins recover back a little bit. BTC dominance hit the new high or 65%, and alts can take some moves. What is a comfortable price for you to accumulate if we drop lower, and where is your final top for HBAR for this run? If you'd like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.